Hey students, in this video I am going to show you how to open your Gmail to find your SFPL Scholar Card account number. So some of you may remember getting a Scholar Card. It could look like this, or it could look like this, or it could look a number of different ways. But what you need to be able to use San Francisco Public Library's resources online is the number that you see on the back. And some of you may have lost your card, or you may be new to our school and never got a card. So guess what? You still have a library account with San Francisco Public Library. And they are sending you an email on September 1st to tell you what this number is on the back of your card so that you can get into their resources, okay? So now I'm going to show you how to get in to your email so that you can find that number. So one way that you can log into your Gmail is through Clever. And so Clever looks like this, as you see on the screen. And there are a couple of different ways to log into Clever. You can use your Clever login badge like this, or you can sign in with Google Drive like this. And I'm going to go ahead and sign in with my Google Drive because I don't have a Clever badge. So I'm going to click right here. And I'm going to use this account. And I'm going to sign in. And I'm signing in with my password and whatnot. And then I'm not sure if your Clever page looks like mine does, but what you want to do is scroll down until you see this colorful triangle. This is your Google Drive triangle. And once you're logged into Clever, if you click on your Google Drive triangle, then you will also be logged into Google Drive. So you can click on that, and then this page will open. Let me show you. So then, once you've clicked on the Google Drive triangle, you should be inside your Google Drive, which looks something like this. Yours will look different from mine, but what will be the same is that you'll see the Google Drive triangle up here in the corner, and you'll see either your picture or your first initial over here on this side, and then you'll see a bunch of files and stuff. But what I want you to look for right now is what I call the waffle. So over here in the upper right-hand corner, you'll see something that's like a bunch of dots. It used to be a bunch of squares, so it used to look like a waffle. So I just call it the waffle. And if you click on the waffle, it shows you all the different Google apps that you can get to through your Google Drive. And the one that you're looking for is Gmail, which looks like this. So you're just going to click on that, and it will take you to your Gmail. But I'm going to show you one other way to get into your Gmail too, so you don't have to do all these clicks through Clever. I'm going to show you a shortcut. So another way to get to Gmail is to just type in mail.google.com in your browser. So this is your browser page. Google is your search engine. And right now I'm using the Chrome browser, which is what your Chromebooks are set up to use. And in your browser is this big blue oval that's called your address bar. And in that, you can type in mail.google.com and hit the return or the enter key. And it should load your Gmail. If it doesn't, it will sign you in. It will give you a sign-in page, and then you just use your sign-in information to get into your Gmail, okay? So now what you're looking at is my Gmail, okay? Yours is going to look different because you're going to have different messages showing up here. Each one of these is an email that got sent to me, okay? The one that you're looking for is going to look like this one right here. It's going to say Back to School with San Francisco Public Library. And it's going to have a little smiley face emoji with star eyeballs and a little green check mark. And then when you click on that, it will open up and it will show you your SFPL library account number, this number that's on the back of your library card. It will not show you your password, or what's also called your PIN number, but it will give you a hint about what that number is. So for most people, it is either the year that you were born or the month and the year. So for example, I was born on July 20th, 1967. July is the 7th month. So the first part of my PIN number would be 07 for July. And then the year I was born was 1967. So the last part would be 67. So my PIN number would be 0767. Okay? And if you don't want to keep your PIN number as your password, you can change it, and I can make another video to show you how to do that. But for this video, I think that's enough for now. I just wanted you to know where you can find your account information to use San Francisco Public Library resources. And in my next video, I will show you how to use some of those resources and how to log in. Okay? Good luck, everyone. Bye.